Hello everyone, I just stumbled upon this LMNT Python library and then it took me to their website, which is this, where you can sign up and you can get a lot of free credits to do a lot of speech synthesis. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install this LMNT Python library and then how you can use free credits to do some cool stuff. This is not sponsored by LMNT at all. I'm just doing it at my own. What is sponsored though is this VM and GPU which I'm going to use for this video, and that has been sponsored by Massed Compute. If you're looking to rent a GPU on affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Plus, I'm also going to give you a coupon code of 50% discount on range of GPUs, so do check them out. In this video, we'll be mostly using the API, both from LMNT, the free one, and maybe from OpenAI, the paid one, which you can get from platform.openai.com. So you really don't need any GPU in order to run this LMNT Python API. But what you need to do is to go to their website, and I will drop the link in video description. From there, you can sign up for free, and then you can try out their API for free. Let me show you. So once you log into their account, you will see that this is what you get for free: 15,000 monthly character used and unlimited professional voice clones, which is quite good. And then you can just click on this new API key to obtain a free key. So in the free stuff, you have a lot of access like API access and non-commercial license, of course. And then they have some other options which you can browse through. I'm not going to market their other option, but looks quite good to me, by the way. Anyway, so coming back to this LMNT Python, because we are going to install that locally and then we will access it through API key, which you need to have, as you can see on this screen. And this is their website where you can go. Okay, so that said and done, let me take you to my terminal where I have this Ubuntu 22.0204, sorry, and I have this GPU card courtesy Massed Compute. You can run the same commands as is, which I'm going to show you on Windows or Mac. So let me clear the screen. Next up, let's create a virtual environment. I'm just calling it LMNT. Let's wait for it to get created. And that has been created and we have stepped into LMNT. Let's install LMNT. I'm just installing it, the Python package through pip. This is also available in JavaScript. So if you're a JavaScript developer, you can do that at your own. Okay, next up, you can set your API key in the environment, or you can set it in the .env file. So let me clear the screen. In order to set it, all you need to do is to run this, sorry, not this command, my copy paste is just having some issues today. Let me remove this and let me paste the command now. There you go. So just replace your API key here, and similarly just set export and space OpenAI underscore API underscore key, which you can get from platform.openai.com, and then paste it here. Let me set my both keys and then clear the screen. Next up, let's git clone the repo of this LMNT Python and then cd into it. That is done. Let me clear the screen. Maybe let's create a directory called as my code here just for the testing. Let's cd into it, and then here maybe I can just open it in my VS Code editor and then I will show you a code example. Let's wait for it. We can just simply create a new file. I'll just say hello.py, and then let me clear these notifications, and then let me paste the commands which we can use to use this API. So what is happening here is that we are importing async IO so that we could issue the command, and instead of waiting, we could just let it run and give us the output. And then in this function, we are calling that speech synthesis. We're just passing it hello world and the voice, and this is the beauty of it, and this is how it works. You just provide it a text and you provide it a voice, and then it creates an audio on the basis of it. How cool is that? And there could be a lot of use cases if you really think about it. You can even make prank calls to your friends by using this text. There are limitless opportunities. Or on a serious note, if you use speech in content creation, sports commentary, podcasting, YouTube channel, company onboarding, sales training, then you can use this. And um, it's not just in English, you can do with Chinese, French, German, Portuguese, and Spanish languages. Okay, so now we know what this does. Let me save it, and now let's go back and try to run it. So I'm just going to run this with Python. It was so quick. Let me open that folder. Where is LMNT Python? Let's go to my code, and there you go, our MP3 file. Let's play it.
Hello world.
Okay, so it just say hello world because that is what we were saying. Okay, now in a more interesting example, let's check out the streaming. So what we are doing here is we are streaming the text from any model like ChatGPT, and that is why we have set the OpenAI's API key, and then we are using LMNT to speak that text or just convert it into audio. So if you look at this, it's a very simple code. We are importing some of the stuff. We have given it like tell me a really funny joke, then we are still using the Lily's voice. You can select any other voice from their website, or you can provide your own audio. And then we are just creating the two tasks. Now, one task here is to read from ChatGPT and write to LMNT, and another to read from LMNT and write to a file. Both of these tasks are asynchronous and run concurrently, as you can see. So this is the reader task, this is the writer task, and then we are just simply using the choices to append, and then we are printing it out and then creating the audio file. So, and we are simply using GPT 3.5 turbo. You can go with GPT 4o, but that will be more expensive. So let me run this code. So I'm just going to clear the screen here, and then I'll do Python 3 and stream. Let me run it. And there you go. As soon as I have run it, there is a joke which it has said something that why did the scarecrow win an award because he was outstanding in his field. Wow, okay, what a dad joke. Let's go back to the folder to see. There you go, this is the output. Let me play it.
Why did the Scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field.
Interesting. You see, magic, right? So very, very high quality, very fast. And of course, I mean, it depends upon how many characters we have used. I think I have used already. Let me quickly show you. That should be interesting in real time. uh, okay, my key is hidden, so that is fine. Let me take you there. So yeah, you see, I already have used not 12. I think I need to refresh this. Let me quickly refresh this, and then you see, yeah, I have used 89 characters so far. Okay, and now let me show you an example from their own GitHub repo, which you can use to provide your own voice and your own text. So that is why we had git cloned it. I have opened it in the VS Code. So if you click on this create voice, you will see that this is the whole code you need. You are just setting your LMNT API key. That's about it, the free key. And then you are giving it some text, and then you are providing it some audio file here. As you can see here, sample audio input, and in this same one they have also provided this sample audio input. You just replace your own mp3 file with it if you want to use your own. The only thing which you need to do is to just go to this .env.example cp, or rename it just .env. Just I have done, but I'm not showing you that because I have set my keys here. So make sure you have done that. So I have saved it. Let me run this create underscore voice, and same thing for the stream, but we will be checking it create underscore voice. Let me take you to my terminal. So let me run this create underscore voice. There you go, fairly fast. And there is our sample. Let's play it.
What a gorgeous day it is today.
Wow, amazing stuff. So that's it, guys. Pretty cool library, I would say. Play around with it. Let me know what do you think. I will drop the link to it in video description. I think we can do a lot even in free credits. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.